So andito tayo ngayon sa BF Northwest Village, and samahan nyo ako until the end of this video. Let me give you a quick tour of this house for sale and for rent. For the description, please click or please check the description below this video. Tara, pasok tayo. So this is a 2-story house. So ito yung main entrance nyo, and then meron kayong gate para sa inyong parking. First, meron kayong access papuntang swimming pool and papuntang back of the house. This is your main entrance. Papakita ko later. And this is your 2-car carport covered. And in here, you also have access going to the maid's room. May sarili siyang toilet and bath. You also have utility or service kitchen. Pakita ko later. Pasok tayo dito sa loob. So this is your main entrance. So this is your door, and tara, pasok tayo. This is your spacious living area all the way to the dining area. You have a cove ceiling with lighting fixtures, maraming mga windows with screens for natural lights. Let's go in this side. You also have cove ceiling with lighting fixtures dito na side, and also you have access with sliding door and sliding screens going to the entrance and going to the swimming pool. Tapos you have lanai on this side. Okay? And you also have a sliding door and sliding screens. Meron kang swimming pool dito. Ayan. Lilinisan na lang yan pag nabili mo na yung bahay na to. You have water pump on that side. Dito naman, andito yung maid's room or helper's room, and also meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Tapos meron kang shower dito. Okay, pasok tayo dito sa kitchen. So from that angle, ito yung entrance mo papasok papuntang dining area. So dining area, papuntang entrance. This is your kitchen. So you have an open kitchen. You have a lot of storage, overhead under counter cabinets, and also this is your provision for the range hood. This is your provision for the refrigerator. And also, you have access going to the maid's room on this side and your utility kitchen. Tapos on this side, you also have sliding door. This will be your pantry area or pantry room. And this is the first bedroom. So we have a total of 5 bedrooms. This is your first bedroom. It can be converted as an office, and it comes with a toilet and bath. Okay? So let's go on this side. And on the ground floor, meron ka ring powder room, and also may storage pa dito. Akyat tayo sa taas. So andito tayo ngayon sa second floor, and this will be your common toilet and bath shared by the 1, 2, 3. 3 bedrooms dito. Tapos dito, meron kang balcony facing sa main road. Okay? Sara na natin to. Tapos ito yung hallway mo. This is the first bedroom. Ito yung first bedroom facing dun sa main road. Meron ng modular cabinet and windows. So this is your second bedroom dito sa second floor. So same with the first bedroom, may sliding screens yung mga windows. Ayan, tapos may modular cabinet. So this is very quick lang. And this is the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom, same with first and second bedroom sa second floor. Meron siyang sliding windows and also your modular cabinet. Now, let's go to the master bedroom. Upon entering on your left side, unahin muna natin tingnan to. You have a walk-in closet with a lot of storage or cabinets. Tapos, you also have a spacious toilet and bath with shower area. You have his and her sink. Ayan, napakaluwag. Tapos, and then this is your balcony. So ito yung balcony na facing, kita mo yung swimming pool sa baba. And this is your spacious master bedroom. So it can fit up to king size bed. Perfect square, so hindi siya mahirap na ayusan. Tapos meron kang sariling ensuite toilet and bath. Okay? So if you are interested, call the number 0917-677-8878. For unit viewing, this is available for sale and for rent. For the description, please check below this video.